up, everybody? Welcome to the Mike Dolce Show. I am Mike Dolce, your host, here to bring you the most honest, actionable, evidence-based information to dramatically improve your life. Today, we're talking about the 4x4 and how the 4x4 will dramatically change your health and fitness routine. But really, it's your health and fitness results. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel, or consider it at the very least. Give the video a thumbs up. That certainly helps. But most definitely leave comments and questions below. These videos are literally fueled by you. Your comments, your questions are what motivates me to answer them on here, hopefully in 4 minutes or less. I wade through the crap, I sift through the science, I tell you exactly what you need. So let's get right into it. The 4x4. What is the 4x4? The 4x4 is 4 meals spread approximately 4 hours apart. For the average healthy athletic adult that's looking to dramatically improve their health and fitness, you simply need to focus on the 4x4. Don't worry about intermittent fasting. Don't worry about time-restricted eating. Don't worry about the 6-meal-a-day bodybuilder bro split. Don't worry about keto or carnivore or veganism. Don't worry about any of that stuff. Let's just get started, right? 80 to 90% of your progress will be initially found simply following the 4x4. Once you get the 4x4 going, then you can start having fun with more of the niche programs when summer's coming or you got a weigh-in coming up. Then you can play with some of the other more niche, again, dietary philosophies. The 4x4 should be your base, should be your foundation, and it's very similar to our Living Lean program. Those of you who know, Living Lean was a #1 best-selling book. It actually beat The Help, which was being promoted by Oprah on the Oprah Book Club. Our Living Lean book outsold The Help, and our Living Lean cookbook maintained 37 consecutive months as an iTunes top 10 best-selling cookbook. Pretty cool, all as an independent publisher. I say that because the word of mouth is what propelled Living Lean, but Living Lean in many ways is a simple extrapolation of the 4x4, which is one of our base dietary programs. What is the 4x4 specifically? The 4x4, again, is eating 4 meals approximately 4 hours apart, spread evenly throughout the day. Each meal should come from high net nutrient foods, or what we call healthful, whole foods, earth-grown foods, real food, 4 times per day, about 4 hours apart. And we should be eating these foods until we're relatively satisfied, never until we're full, which ensures digestive efficiency. It makes no sense to throw 4,000 calories worth of bulk food matter into one time restricted meal. The body simply cannot deal with all of that bulk material, right? And much of it will not get absorbed, and the majority of it will cause really serious digestive discomfort, inflammation, and a whole cascade of health issues if you put too much food in at the same time. So what we say is the 4x4. Spread that meal, spread those total calorie intake into evenly divided meals. 4 meals, about 4 hours apart, about the same size, and of similar food groups, similar proportions, similar ratio. Now, we spoke about the lean, green, and clean. If I didn't, no, let me do it. I'll do a full video on lean, green, and clean. You guys deserve that. I'll do that tomorrow. So if you're watching this down the road, just go back and take a look at our 2022 playlist. All these videos, the new format will be in the 2022 playlist for now, and then we'll be building out more specific playlists as we go. But again, the 4x4, this is easy. You're on the go, you're traveling, you're busy, you're Christmas shopping or holiday shopping, whatever's going on in your life. Just focus on the 4x4. 4 meals about 4 hours apart, consisting of high net nutrient foods. That's lean proteins, green vegetables, clean burning carbohydrates.
Hi, everybody.
It's my youngest, Arden. The kids are here playing in the gym. We're in the middle of our day, and then we have.
What's up, there, friends of Dada?
What's up there, friends of Dada? And that's Victoria, my oldest, 6 and 5. So thank you, girls, for stopping. All right, girls, continue playing. You're having fun out there. Keep going. Let me wind this down. I know you're busy and we got a lot more playing to do today. So again, the 4x4, focus on the 4x4, 4 meals about 4 hours apart, about the same size and of similar consistency. Lean proteins, green vegetables, clean burning carbohydrates. Yes, you can eat carbohydrates. I'll do another video on this, but clean burning carbohydrates would be oats and rice and potatoes and lentils and beans and fruit. That's fine. Don't buy into all the gimmicks and all the mess and all the fear mongering that a lot of the fitness marketers out there will try and push upon you. Just simply eat the 4x4 of high net nutrient foods. Don't worry about weighing food. Don't worry about counting calories in the beginning. Avoid all the processing. Avoid all the synthetic toxic chemicals. Avoid all the garbage. Avoid all the sauces. Avoid all the fried stuff. Avoid all the carbonated drinks. Avoid that stuff. Don't avoid blueberries. Don't avoid eating, as the intermittent fasters will force you to do. That's intermittent fasting, as a quick aside, is simply a means of calorie control. That's it. The 4x4 will give you very positive calorie control also, because you're eating 4 meals at about the same size, spread evenly throughout the day in a manner that your digestive system can process. It'll keep your blood sugar relatively stable, and you'll be able to move freely throughout your day, making informed food choices, never being so hungry you are forced to binge. If you have any questions, please be healthy. Please leave questions below. I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say. And also check the links below this video. If you want to work one-on-one with me, where I can be your private coach, we have some spots available right now. If you want to join our personalized online 4-week or 12-week diet and exercise program, there's links for that down below. We have great stuff for you guys to really help you. We want to walk the journey with you, help you be as successful as possible in life. Thank you for being here. And until next time, boom.